Welcome to our roundup of the best robot vacuums. Whether you're looking for a simple solution to keep your floors tidy or a high-tech device that can handle pet hair and deep cleaning, we've handpicked the top models that offer the best performance, smart features, and long battery life. We'll explore each vacuum's features, from suction power to navigation capabilities, to help you find the perfect device for your cleaning needs. Don't forget to check out the description box below for the best deals. Let's dive in and discover the ultimate robot vacuum for you. At number 1, we have the Yui Omni S1 Pro. This all-in-one robot vacuum and mop offers an impressive cleaning experience for those looking to maintain a spotless home with minimal effort. With its 10-in-1 UniClean station, it can automatically empty its dust bin, wash and dry its mop, refill water, and even clean itself. This means less hassle for you and more time to enjoy your day. The Always Clean mop has a special water tank that holds ozonated water, which helps to break down dirt and stains. While it cleans, the mop keeps refreshing itself to use clean water. It spins fast at 170 rotations per minute, so it can get rid of both visible stains and hidden dirt. Plus, it uses 1 kilogram of downward pressure, which means it scrubs tough spots like you would by hand. With an impressive 8,000 pascal suction power, the Omni S1 Pro can easily pick up dirt, dust, and pet hair on all types of floors, from hardwood to carpets. Its square shape helps it reach corners and edges that round vacuums often miss. Additionally, the 3D Matrix Eye obstacle avoidance feature allows it to avoid bumping into furniture and other obstacles while it cleans. What I really like in this is its smart water management system and the ability to lift the mop when transitioning to carpets, which adds to its versatility. However, it may have difficulty with deep carpets, so that's something to consider. Overall, the Yui Omni S1 Pro is a fantastic investment for anyone looking for a powerful and convenient cleaning solution that simplifies keeping your home spotless. At number 2, we have the Narwhal Freo X Ultra, a powerful tool that makes cleaning your home easy and efficient. With a strong suction power of 8,200 pascals, this robot vacuum and mop easily cleans up dust, cereal, and pet hair, keeping your floor spotless, all without you having to do any work. The Zero Tangling Brush is a great feature that stops hair from getting stuck. It uses a special floating arm that pushes hair directly into the dust bag instead of wrapping around the brush. This means no more tangled messes, making it easier for you to keep your vacuum running smoothly and your floors clean. Also, the special rouleau mop heads spin quickly at 180 times per minute and press down with enough force to scrub tough stains. And the smart AI Dirt Sense technology makes sure the mop continues cleaning until your floors are spotless. Other than that, the maintenance-free docking station is another great feature. It automatically washes, dries, and refills the mop heads, making your cleaning tasks much easier. Additionally, the self-contained dust processing system compresses dirt into a disposable dust bag, allowing you to enjoy up to 7 weeks of hassle-free cleaning without needing to empty it. Also, it has tri-laser obstacle avoidance technology, which helps the robot navigate around small objects easily and clean along edges effectively. In my opinion, the strong suction power is a huge plus, but the unique dust bag design could use some improvement. Overall, the Narwhal Freo X Ultra is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a hands-free cleaning solution. Next, we have the Dream X40 Ultra robotic vacuum, perfect for easy cleaning. It's a great solution for those who want to save time on household chores. One of its best features is Omni-Dirt Detection, which helps it find and clean tough messes by adjusting its power when it detects more dirt. It can also avoid over 80 types of obstacles like furniture and toys, ensuring it cleans efficiently without getting stuck. The vacuum features a liftable main brush, an extendable side brush, and a mop, allowing it to clean tight spaces and corners. With powerful 12,000 pascal suction, it effectively picks up dirt from hard floors, carpets, marble, and tiles. One feature I really like is that the vacuum automatically cleans its mop pads and dust filters using the base station. It smartly cleans the mop and washboard, refills water and cleaning solution on its own, and even washes with hot water at 158 degrees Fahrenheit to help sanitize your floors. The vacuum can empty its dustbin for up to 75 days and self-cleans using hot air drying, which means you have to do less work. You can control the vacuum with an app to map your floors and clean specific rooms. It has 4 suction modes, adjustable wetness for mopping, and a special setting for homes with pets. Also, the 6,400 mAh battery provides long cleaning sessions, charges quickly, and automatically returns to its dock when done. While the Dream X40 Ultra may be a bit expensive, its smart features and low maintenance make it an excellent choice for efficient cleaning. If you need a reliable cleaning companion, consider the Dream X40 Ultra. Next up, we have the Ecova Debot T30 robot vacuum and mop, a perfect option for anyone wanting a smart and hassle-free cleaning experience. It's great for those looking to simplify their cleaning routine. One key feature is the powerful 11,000 Pascal suction, which easily lifts dirt and debris from both carpets and hard floors, making cleaning effortless. The TrueEdge adaptive edge mopping technology ensures the vacuum cleans right up to the edges and corners of your rooms, leaving no dirt behind. I also like the Zero Tangle technology, which stops hair and debris from getting tangled in the brush, making it easier to maintain. The all-in-one Omni station is a fantastic addition, as it can wash the mop with hot water at 158 degrees Fahrenheit, empty its dustbin by itself, and refill its water supply automatically. This means the vacuum is always ready to clean whenever you need it. The LiDAR navigation helps the Debot map your home accurately, allowing it to move around furniture without getting stuck, while the obstacle avoidance feature ensures it doesn't bump into things. You can control the Debot T30 easily using voice commands or your smartphone, which is very convenient. It also has smart sensors that can find dirtier areas, so the mop cleans those spots more thoroughly. In my opinion, the powerful strong suction and auto-empty bin significantly reduce your workload. However, it may not clean deep into carpets as effectively as some other models. Still, its ability to remove hair and prevent tangling makes it a great option for pet owners. At number 5, we have the iRobot Roomba J9 Plus. The J9 Plus robot vacuum offers cutting-edge cleaning capabilities, making it an exceptional choice for homes, especially those with pets. With its powerful suction, it easily removes dirt from both carpets and hard floors, allowing you to focus on other tasks instead of vacuuming. This robot is designed for convenience, delivering top-tier cleaning performance effortlessly. The Roomba J9 Plus features a unique dirt detective intelligence system, which learns from previous cleanings to prioritize rooms based on dirt levels. Plus, its iRobot OS and precision vision navigation help it avoid obstacles like pet waste, cords, or shoes, ensuring a seamless cleaning experience. Moreover, this vacuum takes the stress out of cleaning with its self-emptying feature, storing debris for up to 60 days before requiring your attention. In terms of speed, this model maps your home 7 times faster than its predecessors, so you can clean wherever and whenever you want. With a 3-stage cleaning system featuring dual multi-surface rubber brushes and 100% stronger powerlifting suction compared to earlier models, it ensures no dirt is left behind. Plus, its specialized pet features, such as avoiding pet bowls and toys, make it even more suitable for homes with furry friends. To add to its ease of use, the Roomba J9 Plus navigates in neat, efficient rows, ensuring a thorough clean. Additionally, it understands more voice commands than any other robot vacuum and works seamlessly with Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant. Overall, while the Roomba J9 Plus comes at a higher price point, its powerful performance, smart navigation, and pet-friendly features make it worth the investment. At number 6, we have the Roborock Q Revo Master Robot Vacuum and Mop, a perfect device that can simplify your cleaning process. This robot vacuum and mop features a handy multifunctional dock 3.0, which makes cleaning easy. It uses hot water to keep the mop fresh and can automatically collect dust and refill itself, so you won't need to empty it for over 7 weeks. The dock even cleans itself, making it perfect for homes with pets or kids. The flexi-arm design helps the vacuum reach every corner and edge, picking up dirt in tight spaces. Moreover, with 10,000 Pascal suction power, it effectively removes hair, dust, and debris from carpets, hardwood, and tiles, while the rubber brushes stay tangle-free, ensuring quiet and smooth operation. When mopping, the robot uses 2 spinning mops that you can control with an app. It lifts the mop when on carpet to keep it dry, and the Carpet Boost Plus system helps it remove hair effectively, leaving your carpets clean. Additionally, the reactive AI obstacle recognition allows it to avoid 62 different objects, so it won't bump into things while cleaning. Plus, it has a voice assistant named Hello Rocky, which lets you control the vacuum with just your voice. You can also use the Roborock app to customize your cleaning experience, set schedules, and handle unexpected messes with ease. What I like about this product is its powerful suction and the ability to clean and mop simultaneously, which really saves time. On the downside, it is priced higher than some other models on the market. Overall, the Roborock is a great choice for anyone looking to maintain a clean home with minimal effort. You got it. So that's it for the best robot vacuums in the market for this year. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest videos.